Hi friends, we're making a classic Asian herbal pork soup called Bak Kut Teh. Let's get started. See ingredient list in description including the herbal mix I made with things I had at home. First we'll blanch the pork ribs and belly with boiling water to remove any impurities. Let's soak our dried mushrooms and beancurd sticks in warm water. Now the magic happens in the instant pot. We'll add meat, bones, our soaked mushrooms, spice mix and our herbal blend. Finally, pour in the water. We'll set the instant pot to cook for 35 minutes and remember to deselect to keep warm. While the Bak Kut Teh is cooking, let's cut our soaked beancurd sticks into 1 to 2 inch pieces. Once the Instant Pot cycle is complete and the pressure has released, we'll turn on the sauté mode to bring the soup to a boil. Then we'll add the beancurd sticks and let them simmer for 5 minutes. Add soy sauce, salt and pepper seasonings. We'll remove the pork belly, ribs, yam roots, dried logan and mushrooms. Time to assemble our Bak Kut Teh. We'll arrange the meat and other ingredients in a bowl and ladle the flavorful broth over top. The broth is so rich and herbal and the pork is incredibly tender. This is optional. Bak Kut Teh is served with white rice and youtiao, those delicious fried dough sticks. For an extra touch, you can dip the meat in bean curd and soy sauce too. If you find this helpful, please hit thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.